Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy pre-sale tickets on Ticketmaster in 2026. Now, pre-sales give you early access before the general public, which means way better chances of getting good seats. So here is how you can do it very easily. First of all, you need to find the pre-sale code. The pre-sale codes usually come from the artist fan clubs or their email newsletters, their credit card companies like Visa or Amex, venues and radio stations. So you need to first of all check your email address and the event details page on Ticketmaster. It often shows which pre-sales are active over here. Now you need to come here on ticketmaster.com, then simply log in into your account. You need to open the page at least 15 minutes before the pre-sale starts. Now, when the pre-sale starts, you just have to simply wait for it until it shows you the option of join waiting room. So when you are able to find it, simply click on that button and you will be in the queue. So when you are in the queue, it is your turn. Ticketmaster will ask for the pre-sale code. So you will see the tickets available only for pre-sale. So after entering the code, you are going to basically unlock it. So after doing this, simply choose the best available option for faster checkout and then go straight to the payment and confirm your order. So this way you will be able to buy pre-sale tickets on Ticketmaster in 2026. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just simply drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I'm going to see you in the next one.